Hello, welcome to this video. Today I'll talk about mathematics of class 9 ICSE. Chapter 1 Rational and Irrational Numbers, and this is the part 1. Let's begin. So, before going to problems, I want to tell rational number is any number which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q both are a number, a integer, and Q is not 0. This form is called a rational number. An irrational number is a number which cannot be represented in the form of P by Q. Then let's do some problems. This is very easy. They can ask how many ever. They can ask 10 rational numbers, 5 rational numbers between two numbers. You can either divide, means you can do 4 plus 4.5 by 2 to get a number which would be 4.25, or you can just write random numbers like 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, like that. It's very simple. After that, fraction to decimal. This is also simple for some people. 3 by 5. You have to divide it for converting it into decimal. 3 by 5 would be 3.0 by 5, which would give 0.6. This would be 4 by 2, which is equal to 2.0. And 6 by 7, we have to divide it. Like 6 by 7 would be, but you have to round it to two decimal places. So it would be 0.857. After that, decimal to fraction. 3.55 bar is 3.5555 till infinity. It would give us, first you have to do x is equal to 3.5 bar. After that, 10x is equal to 35.5 bar. Then we have to subtract this from this, which would give us 32.0 divided by 9, and this is the fraction. You can exclude 0. After that, 5.2. 5.2, if it is a terminating and if it does not have a bar, then we can directly multiply it into 10, and I'll tell how. See, 5 point means 52. It will become 52 by 10, which is a fraction. On simplifying it, you will get 26 by 5. You have to simplify it every time. After that, there is a bar only above one here number, that will become 6.78 bar. This would be 10x and 100x. You can just build up the logic for many numbers like this. It would become 67.8 bar and 678.8 bar. Then you just have to subtract this from this, which would give us 90x is equal to 0.195. 591 by 9, no sorry, it would give us 611. Yeah, 611 divided by 90. If you have to simplify this, you can simplify this. After that, what if there are more than one inside the bar and they are not same like we had here? Then first you have to multiply it into 1000 or till one of the loop comes out, like 5934.934 bar. You notice that I took 19934 outside the decimal, which would be 1000x, and we have to subtract it from 934. In short, we just have to make sure that the barred number like 934 in this case gets subtracted from the original number. It would become 0 if we subtract like this. It would become 925, means 5929.0, and this would be x. So it would give us 999x here. So the final answer would be 5929 divided by 999. This would be the answer. That's it for this video. Bye.